Okay, hello. Okay, today the first part was of course without the voice because it was quite straightforward, and that was regarding the tax accounts, the tax codes, the tax determination, and the integration with taxation of the codes with GL accounts. So that is pretty much finance side integration. I've already shown you the steps. Today what we're going to do is continue from where we actually stopped, and we are right now in sales and distribution mode where taxation rules for some tax codes will have to be implemented and engaged. A part of those tax codes have been already executed and configured in this part. So we are going to introduce and define another part of that. That is where we are going to continue it from. And we are waiting for server to actually respond and come back. And it's usually taking a little bit longer, but this is what we are trying to achieve here from sales and distribution. The tax category that is MWST, which is taxable. Okay, and we make it taxable, and then we make it taxable again in material taxes. So we're waiting for the server to actually come back, but we just discussed what is ahead. Then comes the MM question. This is very important, although the MM consultant usually does that in a live project, but for understanding, the FI consultant should know how the integration is usually done. Through logistics general note, we actually have where we actually define plants. We'll be finding quite a number of plants here. Okay, our server is still actually responding. We were configuring this tax part, and we'll move forward to the next one once the server actually comes back to us. And right now I just want to show you how taxes and tax rules are defined in SAP from the sales and distribution mode. So that's where we are right now in SAP. So we're waiting on SAP to actually respond back, and we should take some time, I believe. And if it is not, then we'll be logging again. Okay, so our integration, let's come back to that. We'll create some plants. Okay, we'll create like 5 or 6 plants for our IMCO entity. Okay, so these are all the master data that we are doing right now. Then we define a division. For the division, of course, we have the configuration path already given here. That's the storage location, and then we have storage location for other plants, and most of it is basically covered and covering the master data for plants, storage location, divisions, okay, and the assignment with the company code. So you will actually understand how it is actually done. It's pretty much straightforward, very obvious, quite simplified. SAP is not that very complex, okay, and you will actually get a hang of it when you practice it. Practice is very important. Okay, taxes, define tax determination. 2 rules, and over here we have AE. Okay, and okay, we just copy this, copy as. Let's see what all options do we have. We need double click on material taxes. Okay. Okay, enter. Save. Material tax codes. Where do we have the regional codes, delivery plants, what's the records? Tax relevancy. Tax relevance for materials. Okay, and we have tax category. WST 1 taxable, okay. Non-taxable, okay. Okay, we have MWST, okay, MWST no tax, full tax, half tax, no tax, less tax. So these are kind of the rates that we actually can use for tax calculations and tax deductions. Okay, so that is done, and next, of course, we'll go ahead. This is a bit technical, but of course, these are new concepts, so it's okay, you'll have to practice it. Now let's define plant, Hyderabad plant. Okay. Enterprise structure, definition, and logistics generalized. Define plant. Define plant. Okay, over here, LP1, what is it? IM01, Hyderabad plant, okay. New entries, IM01. IMCO, Dubai plant, DXB, IMCO, okay, enter. Okay, address, company, IMCO, Dubai, IMCO1, IM01, IMCO, okay, okay, country, AU, okay. Name Hyderabad city, okay. Enter, name 1, Mumbai dot. Okay. Next entry. Okay. Okay, IM02. Okay. Company. IM02. Okay. Then we have region 13. Okay, we're not so concerned with regions 3. Okay. IM03. Info. That launch. IM03. Back. Launch. Control Y. Control C. Next entry. Company. Okay, AE. Okay, this was LP3, and we've already done IM03. And we go to the next channel. 5, 7. Okay. IM05. Okay. IMC4. Okay, launch. Okay, IM05. Okay. Copy. Next entry. Company. Okay, then we have 07 Delhi. Okay, I have 07. Control Y, Control C, next entry, academy, division, small cars. Okay. This UAQ is umulquay, right? Okay. So the way shall we umulquay Russell 5 plants. And we will just skip this by pressing F12. Okay, so we have like 5 plants. I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Save. Okay, now that we have created the plans and we saved it, and if you want to see what plans did we configure in the last step, because now you want to proceed with division configuration. Now division, if you see, is your product division, like chemicals, detergents, soaps, hand wash, these kind of sanitary, these kind of divisions. So first, let's see the plans that we have created. We created like 5 of them. Go to define plant. In define plant, we go to ISO 1. ISO 1, okay. Next is the division. Okay, we create the division and it says small cars. Okay. And new entries, less IMCs. It's already there. Like this. Next step is storage location, and the data was saved. We go back. Storage location, material management, plant, IM01, and yeah, separate. So what we'll do is create 0, which goods, 0, finished. Okay, what we do is Control Y, copy this, highlight this, copy this, Control Z, Control Y, highlight, drag and highlight, Control Z, copy, save. We'll then replicate this to see for all plants. Okay. This is plant dependent items. New entries. Save. Items in 3 or 5 and 7. So we replicate the same code. So it basically gets more congruent and synchronous as all the same for all the plants items. All the same. So the code remains the same. And that's how you actually define your organizational units. That's how you plan the layout of your organizational units. Okay, so that following and understanding the organization setup is not difficult for the business, for the users, and for the new consultants. Okay, so we can actually skip every of these. Okay, so we made it easier. Okay, now maintain purchasing organization. Okay, we go for purchase org, which is this, and we keep one central. I am using it's only 4 characters. Okay, CO purchase. We keep one centralized. Okay, assign plant company code. Okay, that's the next step. We find it, now we will assign it. Plant to company code and new entries. IMCO, IMCO1. IMCO, IMCO. Okay, so company code basically is at a higher precedence. It will actually control multiple plants, and these multiple plants will report to the company code. Okay, and give us a so that is it for today's session, and we'll be back with more. We'll be now only for FIO integrations and some front-end activities for material, finance, and we've already seen finance. Now we'll be looking at much more logistic details and entries, and that will of course add to the learning journey, and we're now proceeding towards forecasting in the coming